Hello and welcome back to Game Progress in Unreal. So I'm going to just show you some of the stuff I've been working on with with the game. So without further ado, I'm just going to jump right into it. So we still have this stuff, same as always. But one of the things I've added now is before we just had grab cover and they could destroy it, but now we have this target missed, which means now there's a percentage of them hit or not hit. And that's just kind of what we're going for, you know, trying to make it a little bit feel more like a game. I've upped their health. I've changed it so that way a lot of the stuff now is determined by stats. So if I do fire weapon, I have it set to a constitution stat instead of just like a health. So health is 101 because the constitution is 11 instead of 10, so they have like 121 health. And you know, it's just little things like that keep the game going. And I've also added stats that for this target miss thing, if you're focusing fire, you have a bonus chance to hit, so you're more likely to hit as well. So you know, those are just tiny little things that make it better. And they have a 1/3 chance that when they fire that they'll break the cover, and I think they have a 60% chance to hit. And so do we with just a normal fire weapon. So yeah, see, we missed now. And it might seem a little laggy, but that's just because I'm recording. It's not actually really that laggy. You know, the next thing I'm going to do is I need to add a health bar for both these people, so that way whenever you take damage, you know who took the damage and whatnot. And that's going to be a little bit harder than I think I realized. But other than that, I mean, I just have to add more and more stats. In this game, we have a game, you know, and it works. It works pretty good. I have to change this up here, I guess. I have to add more space for the text turn. This one says enemy turn, whatever. It cuts it off a little bit, like, yeah. So I have to fix that, but that's such a tiny little detail that take like literally 2 seconds to fix. And yep, it just keeps going. Now hopefully we'll see them break the cover, because I have a new thing when they do. Miss. And it works really quite well. I'm just waiting here. Come on, break the cover, man. See, there we go. Now when we come back to that character, I can now grab cover and it spawns a brand new one. So if that's what we want to do, we have that option. And now it's just, you know, those are basically the only changes I've done, but they're tiny enough, but they're important. You know, they make the game play more like a game and make it a little more fun, as you can tell. And it's just, everything's just going good. And then victory, and then it loads us back up to here. And I mean, we're really getting to a point here where we can, you know, build a game. So I would say I have a few more missions at tops to work with here. Like, I'm almost completely and totally done with the battle system, which is really, really good. So just look forward to continuing that. In the next video, I'm going to have to try to implement maybe an inventory, and I'm going to try to implement the new health system. So yeah, look forward to that in the next video, and thanks for watching.